Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead, and you guys are here with me, Dianna, and today we are doing our first weigh-in of the watermelon wars, you guys. Yes, I have a watermelon that is ready to be harvested and we're going to cut it and get the weight. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so it's kind of a jungle over here, so I hope it ain't no snakes up in here, but here she is, you guys. Check her out. Check out this bad boy right here. What shall I say? This bad girl. Look at this baby. She ready, y'all. All right, so here she is, and look, you see that tentacle right there? That is indication that she is ready to be harvested. See how dried up and brown it is? We're gonna cut her today. See that? Y'all looking? Here it go. Bam. She has been cut from her umbilical. Now, can I lift her up is the question without... Oh my gosh. Woo-wee. This is the biggest watermelon, you guys, that I have ever grown. So here's our scale. Step on that. All right, got that thing on 0. Let's see what we weighing. Let's see what our weight is. 34 pounds. 34 pounds. Woo. Holy mackerel. Let me put it on here one more time just to make sure. Yes, 34 pounds, you guys. We have a 34-pound watermelon right here. Watermelon Wars. This is the first one. I got quite a few more of them out here still growing. So this is my first weigh-in at 34 pounds. I'm coming for that #1 spot. Broke Farmer, David Corey. What y'all looking like?